Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend. Okay, if this is your first time you're the dengue post for YouTube, or you never subscribe to this channel, or you dey watch me, you never subscribe, I beg make you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you go watch many of our video, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. We get gist for here, we get gist and the solution is still there for here. A problem say is a problem solve. Anything wey dey your mind wey dey bother you, talk am, bring am come this platform. Believe me, by the special grace of God and with the people and the correct people wey hold this platform gidigba, the thing e don solve. When you just go the comment box kpakam, you go see solution quick quick. God use all these people to bless us. He use all those people when they comment for this comment box to bless us. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that have been part of this program, that are supporting me. I just say thank you. God bless you all. The voice recording people, the commenters, God bless you. The subscribers, even the people waiting they put like to, even the person wey still watch. God bless all of you. And I want to say a very big thank you to this our brother Obina Cosmos. For the comment box and the guy dey try and he words and words of encouragement. I fit tell you, if you want me to make sure your name, just write am. I go make sure your name. So thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And don't forget, we dey do a meet your match here. We get two group. We get HIV positive group. We get HIV negative group. So if you be HIV person, your secret is secure and you get good heart, you decide say, okay, this thing I get, I no wan share am with innocent person, I want my match, come here, you go get your match. Now God get power. Me, I just dey do the way I feel do, but now God now get power pass. So thank you so much. Today we wan talk about our brother wey still be member of this platform. He say see the way una take dey use una comment dey advise, no be me o, the way una dey use una comment take dey advise people, and the voice record is say dey hear am, but he still see the comment box. He say now he say he go still carry him own matter come here. Una still help am. My people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, my reasonable people, matter don come again o. Make una lis ten o, and God go bless una. Make we just play the little small voice record, then I will give una the gist.
Good evening. I greet everybody for this platform. I greet everybody. Actually, the reason why I say make I bring this issue come is because I be guy man. You understand me? So I can't bring one girl come from Nigeria because I want like live this. I want live decent life. Not take from Nigeria. Bring the girl come. I am my brother said I'm even sponsor come the same day. You understand? So when the girl come now, the girl come. I can go pick the girl from camp. So the girl come my house. The girl was doing well. Me and she they live happily. So the next thing now.
Okay, may I just leave this voice record. Later I go put am. May I not waste time. Sharp. May I just tell una wetin happen. Later I go put the remaining voice recording for the end. The mona here. So this our brother, na member of this our platform, na correct guy. He say dey find woman wey he wan marry. He no want woman wey be say he see one waka kpurukere, say he wan go dey, you understand na that kind work. He say he no just want her at all. Woman wey ready say he waste, he wan put am down for one place, he wan marry. He say na that kind woman na him dey find. So if you be any girl wey be say you too you dey find that kind man wey be say you wan e just dey here now, my number dey down below. Just call them. By the special grace of God, everything go dey okay. No be me get power, na God na get power. Me just dey do my small kpurukere work for there, but na God na get power. So just contact you go get am, because this our brother too, he still need una advice for wetin happen to am. Wetin happen to am be say, he say when he dey house, he dey learn work. Wetin dey call people when dey learn work apprentice. I no know that talking well, me I no go cut my tongue. So he say dey learn work. He say so na there he come know this girl. He say as he dey learn work, this girl dey with am, you know. He no be saying get money when they give this girl, because who dey learn work no dey get money. Na only when customer come, you do good work, you fit take small tertiary money, you go just say take I dash you. See na all those money take dey live no fit use am take care of himself alone. How much more say he wan use am take care of girl? He no dey give the girl money, but the girl just dey with am. He say even the girl family, dem know the girl, dem know him too. He say so he come find a way to enter Europe. Oh, he say as he enter, he come say he wan really marry this girl because this girl, he try for me that time. Make he just settle down with this girl. Then he and the girl dey talk. He come ask the girl say, you like to come Europe? The girl say, no problem, he go come. Oh, he come say to get visa now, e no easy. They don dey see visa. For say make we wait for visa, how we go get it? You go follow the way other people take dey come, wey be say na through Libya, when people take dey come. Na the girl say no problem, he go follow, but he no go follow land for Libya. He go follow flight enter Libya. Then if he from Libya follow water come, say no go follow that land. Now the guy say okay, I will take get visa to Libya. He said the guy come bring connection come. He say pay almost 600 abi 700,000. Me I no lie, the guy dey here now, they watch me. Oh, he say na this babe na bring the connection come. He say come pay the money. Then the guy come enter flight stay reach Libya. He say when he reach Libya, then he come pay money again when she take cross enter Europe. He say thank God she enter successfully. When she enter, where the girl dey, e far from where he dey, so he come gat to go see the baby. Say because the babe na Roma side, they put the baby, and where he dey na the other side, e far well. He say he no care. He come go see am. He come buy clothes full of luggage, no be luggage, luggage one. He say clothes full and shoes full and he come call am come out from the camp. He say because for there they no dey gree make man near there. He come fit call am come out. He come give am these things. Then he come still give am money. He say then the lady come dey talk, the girl come dey talk say he wan come out. So he come say wait, make dem give you documents before you come out. She say no, he no go stay. Oh, and why you say me I stay? You put woman for house. You know we women now we sabi. You put woman for house. Then make you know want me I come. I want come. He say okay. Since you say you want come, yeah come. We'll take lawyer. More fair. You take get documents. He say now so she take on dey stay with her. He say she come dey stay with her. Say later the mother you dey say text message come for her. He say and the mother when the girl come, he know say the girl get mama. At least once in a month, you see they say okay, take go give your mommy. See they give the woman something as in her still rich. Cause na only one dey work, the girl no dey work. You see they try, you know. He say but that one not reach the girl mama. The girl mama say la oh. Say the girl dey Europe. How you go dey side river soap go dey enter e eye. He say make e no try am. He say many babes wey dey Europe, he say they don build mansion, they don build 4 flats, they don build filling station. You no know as they take all those babes take get that money. He say whether they dey pluck money for tree. I no understand that part, my people. He say make e no just sit down for there, make e carry bag, make e enter streets. He say come dey tell the babe. Now the babe come dey tell am say as e just be now, make e go also. Now he come tell am say my woman wan marry you. I no go gree make you also. You go stay here. They will give you document. You fit work normal work. Say you carry bag of also. He no gree. Say the thing come dey bring quarrel for them. They bring quarrel for them. Say the girl see they talk. I say mama, they give am pressure. And this thing be one thing wey be say e dey happen. Wait for me, I first explain this boy. So he say they give am pressure, give am pressure. He say the girl no fit bear that pressure again. Say the thing come dey bring quarrel for them. One day now intro wey the girl lose. Okay, since that outside don dey your eye, you say you wan go also, not be for this house. Oh yeah, move, go outside. He say come pursue am. He say people wey dey around that come still beg am say abeg accept this girl back. No, mona settle this matter. He come say okay, come take am come back. Upon all the girl still come back, she still dey insist say she wan go also. He say na Scotland. Say okay oh, since you say you wan go, not be here. He say the girl still dey insist. He say one day the guy na person wey no dey like sha. He say keep money for us. He say money wey he keep for us na 900 euro. He say the girl take only 100 euro and he write letter down saying take 100 euro. He say na so the girl take comot. For me, the girl na good girl because if na bad girl for you take all the money, but he still take 100 euro. He write short note for ground say na he take 100 euro. He don comot because he wan go also. Na family dey push this girl. You know say most of the time family people dey really push people for this Europe wey be say some girls dey still serious man, they no settle down. Tomorrow now this girl now go come dey find husband, go come dey find where you want for do hook up. They fair husband, and you don't use your hand throw away precious husband when they give you, when God give you. You understand? Because of family. If you look, many matter where they bring the corner, family. This one a big lesson to us. If you dey Europe, you get family back home. If your family give you advice, my dear, weigh the advice with your two hands, weigh and well, look the front, look the back before you take that decision, because they use that their Africa eye, they look European, they don't know say not be the same thing. You understand? Because the other one my family, the other one my mama, the other one my mama. You understand? This girl now the same thing him mama say make e go also. If forget say through that also anything can happen to you. If forget say through that also you fit lose many things. Now you dey lose your bone of your bone. Then tomorrow now you come see dey cry say you no get husband, and na the same family go come laugh you tomorrow say all your mate don marry, you never marry. So you go weigh your family advice before you start to dey take decision. When I talk say if something dey happen for your marriage, instead of you to tell your family, you tell outsider, because na outsider go tell you the truth. If you know good person wey dey outside, he go tell you the truth. Your family will not tell you the truth because they love you. They feel say they tell you the truth, that they hurt you. But people say na lie, why I talk like that? Na family you go meet. Family they will not tell you the truth because they feel say that they hurt you. This girl now mama don push her put for her side now, she don dey hustle. He say because make you come do something, and that house wey you feel say you wan build, na you wan go stay there. Now you wan go stay there. You never even build your life. Think about your life. You dey think about say na you. I no understand that part. So na so this girl take comot so, and because this girl na no thief any money, because this girl na good girl, but na just say na the family dey push her. But I just pray me everything dey okay with this girl, may not make mistake of her life, you know. Like say na quarrel, they just still quarrel, say okay, this boy did not do well, I not like a character, he break me coin, they maltreat me. It's a different case. Now say your mama say make you go hustle, and because of that one you dey leave this man, say you wan go hustle. Anyway, na this our brother say the lady come comot so, say so right now you dey find wife when you wan marry. If you be correct girl, you still wan settle down, come here, my number dey down there, come here, make you get your match for here. So my people, wetin I wan advise this boy to do, because this our brother now, he say he need una advice. He say because since she decide say he wan comot go hustle, no problem. He say but the expenses, the ticket money, expenses wey he make for the journey, make she come give him back, because no be he no carry am come here come hustle. He carry am come say he wan marry am, and no be say they quarrel now say they share garri. He say he wan go find money. He say the expenses wey he make the girl make he come pay the ticket money and the expenses wey he make. So he say he need una advice whether make he just leave the money, leave the girl go, or make he still collect the expenses money. Wetin una think make he do? But definitely he say he need woman, but make he leave the girl, make carry the money go, or make he draw the girl the money when he take ticket from Nigeria to Libya, and when he take cross and Monatica. He need una opinion for that one. He say need to una tell am, majority win the vote. If una say make he just leave am, leave the money, no problem, he go still leave am. If una say make he collect the money, he go see where he go decide. So my people, now this one I get to tell una today video. Now see say e no long, so thank you guys, I love you guys. See you for my next video. If you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you go watch all our video. I remain your Lady T True Dreams, your sister, your friend, your pikin, any which way na way. Thank you. Make I dey go. I wan do another video sharp. I wear the same shirt too. Mona no mind me. Bye.
Good evening. I greet everybody for this platform. I greet everybody. Actually, the reason why I say make I bring this issue come is because I be guy man. You understand me? So I can't bring one girl come from Nigeria because I want like live. I want live decent life. Nothing from Nigeria bring the girl come. I think I got that even sponsor come the same day. You understand? So when the girl come now, the girl come. pick up and I get come begin dey business, they get take comot, leave me, take my 100 euro out of 900 euro. She not thief, she even see drop no say that she take am. She not thief, I don't feel put life for her head. But all I know is that as I come there, like and hide, and me no one marry that kind of girl when they go the hustle they come. I believe on say I go the hustle they come. Than say when I go the hustle they come. At least my people say okay, one start business, that one a different case. So I need a very good girl to marry. You understand? A very good girl and a good girl and a God-fearing girl. For a very good girl, when I will marry, a decent girl, a God-fearing girl. This girl has no when you will fit with not be today, tomorrow, not there again. So the reason why I look for good girl for this platform not pass. I just see the program where they do. I like the program, so I just follow up with the program and I hope can send them through here and just get my right wife. So one girl, I do one of my former girlfriend, when I live from Nigeria, I bring her come Italy, make her come marry her. I bring her come now, and before you know now, we're living happily in the same house. Before you know now, my mother not listen now, Western text messages. You should go to find what you go do, to the same way they come. So all those things, you get complicated with me, so you get to come on from my house, so me and her not come there again. And because she's going to go to the hustle, because I don't allow her to go to the hustle. I'm at the hustle for woman, not be woman the hustle for man. So that means I need a good girl.